Hello everyone, this is G-Shock High Fashion Channel and welcome to another G-Vlog. As you guys can see, I have already laid around this GW700 series G-Shock watch, which in my case is already broken as far as the digital display panel goes. So I already disassembled this and I have another watch with me. This is the GW500 series. Apparently both of this G-Shock watch, despite having different reference number, they have similar construction and also similar engine 2689. So technically I could use the engine on here and swap into here and fix the problem that I have, which is display panel issue. To do that, I'm going to need to disassemble this up to this point as well and then try to swap parts and see where it goes. As you guys can see, both of this G-Shock watch, this feature similar style locking on the watch band. This is the screw bar, similar goes to those one, and the size is exactly the same as well. So the way to remove it is very much similar. So let me just separate them, and as you guys can see, it have a lot of rust on it. So now I could try to clean this up and problem will be solved. If I didn't disassemble this G-Shock watch, no way I'll be able to know that they have the rust over there, and if I just left it like that, this part gonna get damaged over time. So look at that. I'm gonna need to clean this interior part as well. Let me put the watch band on the side. So far everything is just similar. I don't need to remove the watch buckle because it was locked with a simple spring bar in there, although the buckle is really nice though. Look at that, so cool. And the watch band keeper as well, very nice. Anyway, put this thing aside. So I'm gonna need to remove the bezel now, which apparently just locked with this pin here. No more screws on the side, unlike the one on this full metal model. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts, including 6 screws as holding the bezel into place. This part, however, just glued on top. So that's another difference between this and that, despite looking just the same from the outside. So in order to remove this, just need to force it out. So guys, bear with me. Use tools like this and just pry it up. There it is, it's already coming out, and that's done. So as you guys can see, this upper layer is metal. It was built together with this resin part. I could try to remove it like so in order to clean it up, which I'm certainly will plan to do. So take this out like that, and there it is. This is the metal layer, really solid construction, even though it looks really thin, right? It feels pretty lightweight, but if you actually try to bend this, it feels very solid. So really nice quality over here. This resin layer, by the way, is soft. Look at that, it's really soft. So I put this over here. I'm going to clean hold this, and this is the body. Now I'm going to need to take the back plate out. So this is the interior looks like, piezoelectric speaker over there, and this is the back plate, which is really different. This one is titanium, this one is stainless steel, although it looks like they are almost the same, the size are the same, and this one, just look at the quality, man, totally different. This is much better. This is engraved over there, you can see the thickness goes. This is just stamp, much better quality on this. No wonder this guy is much more expensive. This will be the back cushion, and it came in 2 layers, surprisingly. One is this resin layer over here, and another one is plastic layer like this. I don't know why they have to do this, but yeah, this is the first time I've seen something like this. And to match with the construction of this part, where both end was extended, this part is made to hold on to this connector over here. So you kind of like hold on to this screw on top, which I'm gonna need to remove right now as well. But before I get to that, this is the O-ring, by the way. Alright, so far so good. This is the connector or the holder for this ribbon over there. They connect to this top part on the hard case. both of these hard case have almost the same shape, but this one was glued on top of here while this one was built together into the hard case. Alright, both of these models feature similar engine locking style. Let me put this aside, and apparently a spring just fall out like that. Long spring that connects from the back plate all the way to this what do you call this, tough solar panel at the front. And we have one more spring in here for the piezoelectric speaker. Let me just take it out, put it in there. So one engine is made by, where is this, Casio Thailand, which is this one over here as being indicated on the back plate. Check this out, back made in Thailand. In this case by Casio Japan. Check this out, there it is, as being indicated on this back plate. This one is for the Thailand, this one is made in Japan. Japan, Thailand, you guys could already see how much they differ as far as the quality build. I just noticed one more thing about this ribbon on top. So this guy was made in Japan, this guy was made in Thailand. Just look at how they built in this ribbon, or this component was soldered in there. Alright, check this out. And now check the one was made in Japan and tell me which one looks better. Obviously the one that is made in Japan looks better. Check this out, much cleaner, much more precise. This one looks like both of the components like not even parallel, they actually connect to one another, which is bad. This one over here looks much better, a lot more neat and cleaner. So I'm not picking side here, but I gotta say the one that is made in Japan has better quality compared to the one that is made in Thailand or other country, despite looks the same from the outside, right? So that's one little difference, and one little thing that I just realized after years of disassembling G-Shock watch. Oh, let's see. We have here is the engine with the issues. This is the engine that currently working. So I'm gonna need to swap parts between these two and see what is the cost. First, obviously, I'm gonna need to remove the battery for both model, which is the CTL1616. Okay, I just removed this two metal connector aside because this part didn't really matter actually. This didn't affect the display panel. And this is the battery compartment for both model, which looks pretty different as well. One came in gold, one came in silver, but I'm pretty sure this part didn't affect the display panel issues at all. So let me just put this thing aside. And what could affect the digital display problem is this circuit board, or let me take it out first like that, or this display panel, or this connector ribbon in black colorway over here. So before I start disassembling this entire piece, why not just swap this circuit board and see if this is the issues. I really wish this is not the issue, but if it does fix the problem, then that's the cost, which I really wish not because of the circuit board. If the issue was caused by the circuit board, then I don't know, man, then I cannot fix it. I cannot just easily find a replacement circuit board. They don't sell that. I mean, I cannot fix it. So let's just hope this didn't work. I really wish this didn't work, man. Alright, remember guys, this one is the broken one, this one is the perfectly functioning one. So if I swap the circuit board, this one will be the broken one, this one will be the perfectly working one. Let's see. And there it is. Oh, this is bad. This is really bad. Check this out, guys. This one, the original one that is currently broken or not fixed, the one is already not having issues are now broken. So from here I could tell that, yeah, the issue is caused by the circuit board, not by the display panel, not because of the connector on top, none of that. It is because of the circuit board by itself. Oh my, this is bad. You know what, let us quickly inspect the circuit board. Should end this video right away because we already found the issues and I know I cannot fix the problem. I don't know how to fix the circuit board. Probably there some soldering might be needed, some technical things, or even a tiny component need to be replaced because the display panel did lights on. It's just that it is faded. Probably the connector, the circuit path was blocked, was scratched. I don't know, but what I know is that is not one of my expertise. So now both of this is a circuit board, right? Looking from the back, as you can see, this one is the broken one, by the way. 54579 and 5609 lettering down there. This one is perfectly working. 405, 4682 numbering. Look at how much they differs. All right, as you can see, this one is the broken one, and well, from the reflection, I gotta say there are a lot of some sort of not sure if dirt or scratch, but this one, check this out, looks gorgeous. Look at the reflections, just shows to you how good it looks. The path is much more cleaner, much more prettier. Basically looks fine. Look at it, look at how much both of these differs. My goodness, check this out. So yeah, looking just like this, I cannot find the issues at all. Not sure if you guys could see the problem, where the problem is, but I couldn't. Both of all the components look fine. The soldering points, all joints looks fine to me as well, except this epoxy black thing over here. But yeah, so far so good. The bottom layer again looks fine as well. I don't know where's the problem is, man. So yeah, if you guys could figure out where the problem is, why not comment down below? Probably I'm gonna check that out again, try to fix it. But for now, that's it. I'm gonna need to assemble both of this G-Shock watch back and I'm gonna try to revive this titanium version because I'm pretty sure this one costs more. If I'm not mistaken, 40,000 Japanese yen. The resin version costs like 26,000 Japanese yen. Titanium version, in my opinion, worth a lot more than if I revive this stainless steel version, you know. It's just my opinion, but anyway, it's all up to you guys. If you prefer resin, then resin it is. In my case, I'm gonna go with metal. So if you learned a thing or two in this video, and if you would like to see me disassemble more and more high-end G-Shock watch, I would appreciate it if you could contribute to the growth of this channel by donating to my Patreon page. It's gonna help me a lot, guys. Also, if you aren't able to do so, that's fine. Just leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to see more contents like this coming up in the future. Thank you very much for watching. This is G-Shock High Fashion Channel, and